Today I'm introducing a new content to you all. It's Mr. Kooraft Protects your wallet. So let's get started. I started using 3D printer 2 years ago. In fact, at the time, there was so little information about this field that I often just bought everything and tried them out to find out if they were good or not. That's why I wasted a lot of time and money. Of course, I learned a lot from that. Therefore, this content will be useful for people like me who started out with no knowledge and need information on what is absolutely necessary and useful, or for people who started a long time ago but need information on new items. In particular, I will share information about tools, paints, and other things that I personally purchased and used. And I will include various recipes, DIY, etc. for figure making. Not objective reviews, but my subjective experiences and feelings in the video. Whether you have a lot or little money, our money is all precious, right? So from now on, Mr. Kooraft will protect your wallet. I recently realized that I don't have much space left in my showcase. The problem is that where I live, there is no furniture like the showcase that we commonly know. So I had no choice but to start searching on Amazon. As expected, there were many wonderful showcases on Amazon in the US. In particular, one that caught my eyes was this modular LED built-in showcase. I decided to buy this because I didn't have to buy and install additional LED lights and the prices wasn't bad. The showcase arrived a month later and I'm assembling it right now. I like assembling things myself, so I used to go to IKEA often when I lived in Korea. I like to look at the interiors and assembling furniture so much that I will arrive at lunchtime and leave almost at night. As a side note, Mr. Kooraft channel was actually a woodcraft channel. Surprised, but I failed miserably and this is my third channel. I've actually been doing woodcraft as a hobby for quite some time. Almost all the furniture in my restaurant and studio are DIY furniture. So I was really excited to assemble furniture after a long time. Actually, anyone can assemble this type of modular furniture without difficulty. However, there is one thing you need to be careful of when assembling the furniture. Don't forget to tighten all the screws properly. If you don't tighten even one screw properly, the furniture won't be properly connected after completion and will shake, and other parts will easily come loose. Therefore, no matter how much experience you have, I recommend that you check the manual carefully while assembling. Sometimes the screws are used in unexpected places. As I said before, I've been doing woodworking for a long time, so I have most of tools needed for woodcraft. However, in the video, I only use a screwdriver to assemble the furniture. The reason is that if you use an electric drill on this type of MDF wood, the wood can easily break. So I recommend tightening the screws with your hands. One more thing, I said that Mr. Kooraft channel is my third channel, right? And my first channel was a woodcraft channel that failed. So aren't you curious about my second channel? My second channel was a clay art channel. In fact, my performance wasn't that bad. For example, Totoro had 18,000 views and over 500 subscribers. However, the problem was that it took too long to complete one piece. And at the time, my goal wasn't to make YouTube videos, but to provide a different kind of entertainment to my restaurant customers. So I thought I can't keep doing this. So I started searching the internet to find a way to make the figures faster. And the answer I found was 3D printing. Yeah, that's right. That's how my current third channel was born. I've been busy talking about 3D printing in my videos, but I thought that I could share my various experiences and behind the scenes stories about my channel or video production with you through this content, even though it wasn't my intention. It may just be my own thought, but I feel like it will be meaningful content for my channel subscribers at least. All assembly is complete. Before I tell you what I think about the product, I will briefly explain the functions of the showcase. First, what I surprised height and 35 depth. From now on, I will tell you what I felt while assembling the product. The manual is very well. At the same time, there's no need to organize the wires, which was very convenient. The left and right side of the showcase are made of acrylic, and the front is made of glass so that you can see the inside from all directions. From now on, I will tell you what I found disappointing about the product. The durability of the showcase is determined by wood, but the quality of the MDF isn't very good. MDF boards are classified by their quality based on the density and compression. MDF used furniture is usually high density. However, this product appears to be medium density. And after some, the bonding strength of each part isn't good, so the showcase sways. In fact, this is no problem with this product, but a chronic disease of assembled furniture, so I think it can be helped. And what was most disappointing wasn't the quality of the product, but the size of the showcase. As I explained earlier, the width is 35 cm, so the depth isn't enough. So it was almost impossible to display the figures by overlapping them in the front and back. If you are planning to purchase the showcase like this, please refer to this part, considering that it costs a little less than $200.